Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, stock number E2103X. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seat 7. Leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Tri-pane moonroof. Flip-up DVD players in the front seats. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear corner windows. It's a very safe vehicle with blind spot monitoring, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off a key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. These middle row seats are also heated, great for those cold winter days. As Touring L Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things used most often. DVD player. Lots of storage space. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead. Auto dimming mirror. Power moonroof. And sunshade control. Liftgate and power door. And home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.